Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a presentation on Canva. So on the home page you might see this section over here you might want to try, and it should include presentation over here. And you can use it in order to start creating your own presentation. If you don't have it, then you can for instance go to templates over here on the left side. And if you click here, then you might be able to find presentations over here, but you can also switch to presentations over here from recommended like so. And here you have a bunch of different formats. You have game presentations, brainstorm presentations, and a bunch of different templates. You can also go back to home, and here at the top you have presentations icon over here, and if you click on it, then once again you will be redirected to the same page. But you can also scroll down to find some pre-made designs. And here we have some basic presentations, or more like general ones. You can also click on see all to find something more, or you can use this arrow to scroll through. But also, as previously found over here, we also have brainstorm presentations and game presentations. As you can see, if you hover over these templates, then you can see how they look like. Some of them even have animations. So let's say I'm gonna choose a game presentation, and let's say I'm gonna choose the first one over here. And if I click on it, then I will open the project. And here I have the main page. However, on the left side, I can also add a bunch of different also pre-made pages. So if you want to, you can apply all 10 pages. And below that, you can also find a bunch of different designs that look pretty similar. So I'm gonna apply all 10 pages. And of course, you can do the same. And as you can see at the bottom, you can see all these pages. If you want to add a new one, then over here, you can click add a new page, which allow you to create something on your own. And if you want to delete it, you can click on these three dots, for instance, and here you have delete page. So you can remove it like so. Of course, if you want to, you can edit anything that you want over here. If you want to remove something, that's completely fine. You want to change the background color, you can do that as well. It's really up to you and up to your imagination. And you can, for instance, start from here, and you can create something individual with the help of a pre-made design. And after you are finished with your presentation, you can click on share over here, or you can use the present button over here at the top, and you can click present in order to see how the presentation looks like. Once you are certain that your presentation is done and you are ready to download it, then you can click on share over here, and then here you will find the download button, so click on that. Here you can change the file type. You can, for instance, choose a PDF standard, but you can also save it as a PowerPoint presentation by using the PPTX format like so. Over here you can select which pages you want to download, and of course most likely you will want to download all 10 pages. And after that, you can press download button in order to download onto your PC. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.